In this video, we'll show you how to create dynamic naming and storage for batch predictions in Qlik. To begin, open an ML deployment and either create a new prediction configuration or edit an existing one. In this example, we'll create a new prediction. Start by giving your prediction a name. Next, click Apply Dataset and select the dataset you want to use for predictions. In the Prediction Configuration pane, go to Prediction Dataset and click Name Prediction Dataset. Under Name, select the path within the space where the prediction datasets will be stored. You can use dynamic variables to automatically generate names and storage paths for your batch prediction outputs. To do this, wrap variables in double curly brackets. Once the path is set, choose the appropriate space and click Confirm. When you're done, click Save and Close. Then select Run Predictions Now to generate the output. Here's the result. As you can see, the prediction now includes the current date. If you open the dataset, you'll notice the source field reflects the dynamically generated name correctly. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.